is Bumrah bowling too short?
He is, it's like, when you look at his form, like why we talk about IPL, it's because this year it is more relevant. That is the only tournament we have played so far. When you talk about Indian cricket, we haven't played anything prior to that or after that. This is the first international assignment that our Indian bowlers are getting. So when you look at the T20, he was good. Only thing is that I like as a bowler, when you have that gap, you need more and more match practice. We got news that after finishing those 14 days quarantine, they had only 1 day practice at SCG. These practice sessions, when you are when you're away from home, you're in a different condition. These practice sessions are very important, and also the match, those practice matches. So it would have been interesting to, the way we have this 2 day or 3 day matches before the test matches, those practice matches. If we had couple of ODI or couple of T20 games before the series started, it would have been different, because match practice is very important, keeping this year in mind.
At the start of the IPL, there was a whole hue and cry saying Bumrah is not bowling well. If you remember, Bumrah's not picking wickets. And then what happened? Bumrah came back and became the best bowler of the IPL. Our problem with Indian fans is that we are just too fickle. I mean, give people a bit of time. Overnight, Jasprit Bumrah cannot become a bad bowler. Overnight, he cannot lose rhythm. Overnight, he cannot lose the knack of picking wickets. Yes, he's had 2 bad games, no question. But, coming from where Deep was mentioning, what has happened 1.5 years back has no relevance now. Last 8-9 months, people haven't played any white ball 50 over cricket. So this is almost starting from scratch. I do think that people will take a bit of time. It is only natural that performers will take a bit of time. And I am not unduly worried. I mean, while everybody wants to win, I want to win, you want to win, you want India to win and make a statement. I just think this team is good enough to be where it is. They will come good. Jasprit Bumrah will come good. Chahal will come good. All of these guys are not bad cricketers, and overnight 2 games don't make them bad cricketers. So I wouldn't want to pronounce a judgment ASAP saying, oh, so-and-so is bowling badly and short and this and that. Firstly, I don't think I'm equipped to do that. But if I try and analyze it from the mental standpoint of a cricketer, having seen Bumrah for the last God knows how many number of years, I think this Indian side is too proud a side to sort of keep performing badly, and they will come good.
Well, the question that you that's asked is whether Bumrah's bowling too short. Yes, the answer to that question is yes, he's on the shorter side. The question is not whether Bumrah is good enough or not, whether Yuzi Chahal is good enough or not, or the Indian bowlers are good enough or not. That's not a question, and that is not even a question that should be asked, because obviously, yes, they're good enough. There is no 2 ways that Bumrah is one of the best bowlers in the world. There is no 2 ways Yuzi is one of the best spinners in the world in international cricket. Shami is one of the best bowlers in the world in international cricket. So nobody is asking that question. The question that was asked is very simple, whether Bumrah is bowling a tad bit short. Yes, I think he's been, especially the first spell, I think he can bowl fuller, and I'm sure he would try and do that. I agree with what Bori had to say, and even Pragyan had to say, in terms of, you're playing after a while, for last 2 months, you've been playing T20 cricket where the natural length could be a little on the shorter side. I understand all that. The fact that you're used to bowling 4 overs in a game, spells of 2, and suddenly you have to come and bowl 10 overs. It's not easy. But let's not forget, the Australians have to do the same thing, right? Yes, they have an advantage. They're playing at home, but they've been also playing T20 cricket for last 2 months, right? People, yes, who haven't played the IPL, they were playing Sheffield Shield. It was comparatively easier for them to adapt to 50 overs cricket from, let's say, the red ball in terms of length as far as a bowler is concerned. But yes, if you're asking me whether the Indian bowlers, whether it's Bumrah, whether it's Shami, are they guilty of bowling a tad bit shorter, especially the first spell? I'd say yes.